Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable Vibrate from keypad tabs in your device Z Flip 4 and Z44. So if you want to enable or disable Vibrate for keypad tabs, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable or disable Vibrate for keypad tabs in Z Flip 4 and Z44.